Hello, ce faceți? Fix acum au venit. Avem trafic aici, cum puteți vedea. Trafic mare. Everyone okay? And we changed the landscape. Did you like the sunset? Just beautiful roundabout. Do you like that building? No? Yes? A little bit of train, I catch it. It was the tube. And that bridges look amazing, isn't it? I like to play this video with you guys because what happened is different content, different visualization, yes? People run, it is amazing guys, enjoy, have a great time, everyone, and stay with me here. Now guys, I don't know if you know, but this time is like 8 o'clock and they clap their hands. I don't know if you hear that sound, and you know, people have fun, people run here. DRG Fitness Sports on YouTube. Subscribe, please help me, support. Have a good time. DRG Fitness Sports. Yes, so everyone have a activity to do, you know. It's great, it's amazing here in the parking area. So the thing is, we need to stay refreshed and just listen to that. Nah, that's the birds. Can you hear it? I'm not sure if you can hear it over there, but it's because usually NHS who saves lives, you know. I like that. Look at that. It looks very cool. It reminds me of the like beach and thing, you know. So guys, the idea of this vlog is to pure enjoy. Yes, can you see there over is like a pin, which is very good for our breath. Yes. Now here is another stunning view, absolutely amazing with the nature. That's a over there is amazing. Yeah, don't know if I catch it properly, but I just saw it. I just saw it basically just before he was next to me, so I cannot say or stop him because it was like complicated. But yeah. Everyone, hi on the video.
Hello.
Hi, DRG Fitness Sports YouTube. Subscribe. DRG Fitness Sports. I like that tree. Can you see it? That one over there. I think it's interesting. It's just beautiful nature. As you can see over there. It is amazing. Guys, if you enjoy what you see, I hope you subscribe. So just beautiful, air fresh. I'm gonna show you the river. Let's see what is here. Oh, it's nothing interesting, but still we can make it look interesting. Peaceful and quiet. That's all we need. Now we move to another itinerary and another park, and I catch the sunset over there, which is amazing. Also people play here tennis. It's absolutely great, spectacular view, everyone. Hope you enjoy. Guys, you'll be in the video. Yeah, they play, they don't bother, they play football. That's very cool. And in the back over there is Goran with Mila. They play tennis, which is great. Oops. What can you say about that? Unbelievable. Now this is very spectacular, yeah. Are you ready to see this? Because it's very spectacular. But only if you subscribe, otherwise I'm not gonna show you. Hey, say hi. Hi. So that's the view, look at that. Can you see it? Absolutely amazing, isn't it? Stunning. And show you around the golf. How big is this one? Can you know? Big enough to make a goal? And very good skills over there. The guy play football. But the sunset is amazing. Look at that, man. Sunset there, it's absolutely amazing. So now you can see, guys, the sun is going down and it's changing all the time. The landscape is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, guys, the vlog is continue. Yeah, and now you can see me, yeah, because I just did like nature and everything. So subscribe, yes, the RG Fitness Sports, subscribe, because help us to achieve our target now, 200. Okay, let's do some practice training with Dennis. Well done. We do with the leg one, with the left one, huh? Yeah, left and right is good. Guys, if you are still here and stay to this point, and if you just watch it, don't subscribe, then you are just a fan, but not the fan I really wanted, because I need your support, yeah? Subscribe is still free yet. Okay guys, so we have fun here. Dennis have a message for you. If you still watch this.
Yeah, so everyone, support the channel. Really good content creator. Well done. Subscribe, please. He needs support. It's nice to be nice, okay? Subscribe. Yeah, and obviously, you know, he's obviously a really talented footballer and he's a nice guy. So it's nice to subscribe, you know, because he makes original content, no edited, proper vlog, you know? So you want to subscribe and see some more good videos, some nice vlogs. Very nice. Go subscribe. Yeah, thank you for watching as well. Yeah, go and subscribe to DRG Fitness Sports.
Yes, guys. Well done, Dennis.
Thank you. Yeah.
Well done, my friend. Guys, that's it for today. With that beautiful there view, I left you and see you next time. Ciao.